Hi Pisces, welcome back. And today I have a very important announcement to make. So, from now onwards, I'll be giving your reading every alternate day. So, you will see the reading today, and the next reading will be day after tomorrow, Pisces. And if you are a cross watcher, today I'll be giving reading for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces. And tomorrow you can see the reading for Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. And in future I'll be making a dedicated channel for your daily reading. So that announcement will come very soon, Pisces. And today we'll be seeing the reading here, Pisces, and the next reading I will see you day after tomorrow. So please stay tuned and please support me in this idea, in this new idea. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So, if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Pisces. This is for your moon energy, Pisces, and this card is the message from your person. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Nine of Wands, Five of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. So, Pisces, in your circumstances, in your relationship, you are a very dedicated person. Whatever decisions you make, you stand by those decisions, trying your best. So, the same way in this love, you try to be really honest, devoted, and you are trying your best to build a beautiful relationship with them, with this person. And though you are devoted, there are certain things you are unable to change. The way this person is behaving or speaking, they are not understanding you. They have their own ideas, they have their own plans, dreams for the future. And you see a lot of confusion, doubts in this relationship, but you need to hold on, stay strong for yourself. Do not lose heart, do not lose hope today. And you are worried about what has happened in this love. It may be worries regarding some circumstance, maybe some mistakes on your part or mistakes of this person. You're thinking and brooding over what has been lost in this love, what has been the change, or what has been something difficult that has unfolded in your past. You are worried about something that has happened, but that is not going to help you today, Pisces. That is not going to help you in any way. So, you need to be really practical, be present today, see what your circumstances are, see what the present holds for you, what this love holds for you. So, a lot of confusion, doubts may be there, but there is a beautiful change waiting to unfold, a beautiful turn of events waiting to happen. And you must be strong enough to hold on to see this change coming in your life, and that change is coming very soon. Pisces. You never expected this, but that is what is happening today. So, in your career situation again, you may see confusion, doubts, but there is a big change coming to you very soon. You are going to be so happy. It is going to relieve you from all that tension, stress, whatever delays you see in your work, whatever circumstances are, some bad circumstances, whatever it is, you are coming out of it. You will see a new offer, an opportunity coming in your life today, Pisces. So let us see what is the card for your moon energy. Adjustments are required. Third quarter moon. So in your situation, you need to change yourself first. You are overflowing with a lot of thoughts, and lot of these thoughts may be negative. So you need to give up all that negativity, and maybe if you are thinking about a particular situation, you need to be honest with yourself and see whether you have any negative emotions about that circumstance. So you must give up those negative emotions first. And you feel that you are unable to keep up your word, or trying to do something in your life, but you need to understand that this situation is not yet over. You just need to change the way you are seeing this circumstance, changing your perception, and everything will change, because something exciting is coming very soon, just like the previous cards. Something new and exciting is around the corner, and it will unfold very soon in your life. So you must have faith, trust in the future, trust in yourself. So that is the energy with these cards. So for your message from your person, you have taught me what love is all about. So that is the message from your person for you all today, Pisces. Thank you for watching, Pisces. I'll be seeing you all day after tomorrow. Please stay tuned and please support me. And you can watch the pick a card reading that is coming up right now if you are interested, Pisces. Bye, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. The Fates. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your career, it may be in your relationship, you are seeing some circumstance and it may be quite difficult for you to accept, but when you cannot change something in your life, you have done your best, you have put in a lot of efforts, but still your situation is not changing. It is karma or destiny working its part. You need to understand that. So accept the things that you cannot change and have courage to make changes in few things that you can do, and having the wisdom to know the difference between certain things you cannot do anything about, no matter what efforts you're making, and in certain situations you will be able to change. So you need that acceptance today and feel peace within yourself, peace in your heart. So, the same way in your relationship, you cannot change this person according to your wishes. Sometimes you need to accept them as they are. So, instead of molding the people, you should try to be in that relationship in such a way that it is not making you uncomfortable. And you need to see them as they are truthfully. Whatever is happening between you and this person is perfect, is perfect in the perspective of that of universe. And it is time for you to love unconditionally. And for each of us, we are on our own journey. We cannot direct that journey for another person, and we must accept that. And if this relationship means something difficult, you are doing a lot, you are not seeing any changes, you should understand that this relationship is fated, it is meant to be this way, and you are meant to evolve into a better person because of this relationship. You may feel that circumstances are not good and you are seeing painful things happening to good people. Maybe you are so good, but still there are some difficult circumstances you are seeing. But destiny is a mystery. We cannot do anything about certain things. We are powerless to change. So we need to have that acceptance. When we do that, there will be a peace so deep and that will be calming our spirit and soul. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Rapunzel, liberation. So in your circumstances, you feel trapped in your circumstance, hidden away, and you have accepted this situation and you are not willing to come out of the shell, not willing to connect to people. You may have a few people who are close to you. Other than that, you are not willing to communicate to anyone or come out of your shell or this prison that you have imposed on yourself. And this card comes with a message that you are deliberately avoiding people in your life. And this tower or prison is in your heart. It's not a physical thing, or it is not other people who are imposing those rules on you. So you need to stop being this way and live a life taking risks. And you need to consider your circumstance, whether you want to connect to people, whether you want to relate to others, whether you wish to do that. And you may feel safe within your shell, but it is not life. Isolating yourself alone, it's not going to help you in any way. And you need to give up all the negative thoughts. You may have fears of future or fear of failure in a relationship, fear of seeing something bad in your life, and that is the reason you are not coming out of that shell. You are isolating yourself. So you need to give up all those thoughts, whatever is holding you back, weighing you down, and you need to change your perception, releasing attachment to your past. Whatever has happened, and you must just take the lessons but not fear or feel anxious over what may happen in your future. So change is in your hands. You are the one who is powerful to change your situation, change your life, and the time of waiting is over for you. Waiting in isolation, waiting within this shell is over for you guys. So you need to come out now, because there are people who love you, who care for you, who want to connect with you. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.